Welcome back. The first practice, we're going to write the power in words and as a product. Before we start it, I think we can do some anatomy work. You see A is here. A is called base. You see B is here. B is called exponent. And together, they're called power. What does it mean? For example, let's start with something small. We have 3 to the 4th power. 3 is a base. So we're going to write down 3. Right? How many times? We look at the exponent, it says 4. So I'm going to write down 3 4 times. And have them multiply, multiply, multiply. That means 3 going to times itself total 4 times. That means 3 to the 4th power. And let's try one more. How about, let's use 10. How about a 10 to the 5th power? Remember, base, exponent. Base tells us the factor we're going to use is 10. And exponent tells us how many times it's going to time itself. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times. That's right. Okay, now we can go back to problem solving. 8 to the 7th power, 8 to the 7th power. Don't forget about TH, okay? And remember 8 is a base, so write down the base as a factor. How many times? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Now we're done. How about this? We write in words x to the 5th power, and which means x is the base. Base is the product. We're going to write how many times? 5 times. Times. That is our exercise 1 today. Now let's look at evaluate the power. Evaluate power, the first one, let's practice reading it. 9 to the 3rd power. Some people also read 9 cubed. It's good. So 9, write down how many times? 3 times, right? Ask us to evaluate, so do not leave it as a product. We're going to finish the work. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9, we have 729. All done for this one. Now, how about the next question? The next question says open close parenthesis negative 9 to the 3rd power. Remember, this guy is your base. Therefore, when you write down base, we should write like this. Negative 9, 1 time. 2 times, how many times? You are correct, 3 times. Now, let's determine the final sign first. Negative, negative, positive. Positive, negative, negative. Therefore, we should have negative 729. All done, all done. Let's look at this one. Negative 9, open close parenthesis, has the power of 0. If you say power of 0, without any hesitation, that is 1. Why? How? What is the knowledge behind it? We're going to talk about it in another video. Or there's some really cool YouTube videos. Go ahead and watch it. There are lots of fantastic teachers there. Wonderful video. Watch that, okay? All right. Our last one for today is open close parenthesis. We have a power of 2. How do we do this? Remember, this guy is your base. So negative 9 is your base. Write down how many times? That's right, 2 times. Let's determine the final sign. Negative, negative, positive. 9 times 9, 81. We have 81. Okay, don't leave because I'm thinking about this. What if I have a question like this? Negative 9. Okay? Now, remember this time, your base is 9. So keep the sign in the front. And let's talk about the base first. Base is 9. 9 times 9. 2 times, okay? Times itself 2 times. So you have a negative 81. All right, that is today's practice. Happy learning.